Hello. My highest respect to everyone present here, to Dr. Esca Delna, Secondary School Principal 4, Mr. Edgar Alan Asuk, Assistant Principal for Operation and Learner Support, Mr. C.T. Banyes, Assistant Principal for Academics for Junior High School, Dr. Samsudin Abdullah, Assistant Principal for Academics, Senior High School, Ma'am Maribel M. Torenia, Students Activities Coordinator, Department Heads, Curriculum Heads, Group Heads, different coordinators in different disciplines and programs, parents, student awardees, good morning, and congratulations to each one of you. It is with great pride and admiration that I introduce our guest of honor and speaker, a brilliant alumnus of Esperanza National High School, a shining example of dedication and excellence in the field of his chosen career. Our speaker has seamlessly transitioned from his role as an esteemed editor-in-chief of our school publication to a successful engineer, embodying the same passion and precision that made him an award-winning researcher, not just here in our region and country, but even in Malaysia during his academic years here in Esperanza National High School. His journey from leading journalistic endeavors to pioneering innovations in research is a testament to his versatility and intellectual prowess, with a keen eye for detail, a thirst for knowledge, and drive for success. Our speaker continues to inspire and impress with his remarkable achievements. It is a privilege to witness his growth and success, and I have no doubt that his future endeavors will continue to leave a lasting impact on the world of engineering, or where God would plant him. I am so honored to introduce a person whom I once mentored as a school paper advisor during his high school life. Just like a mother to his son, my heart leaps with joy to see him once again. Modesty aside, isa siya sa pinakagwapo at pinakamagaling na editor-in-chief ng Esperanza National High School ng ating school paper, The Reflector. So marami kaming memories together. So hindi ko na ikwento sa inyo, but one of that was the regional press conference in General Santos City. Di ba, Sir Leonard? Okay, sa atin na lang yun, sir. He graduated valedictorian under the SF curriculum, now STA curriculum, in 2013. He received also a gold award as a research presenter in Malaysia in 2012, Journalist of the Year as Editor-in-Chief in 2013 and 2014, Researcher of the Year, multi-awards in research, Mr. Math Wizard in 2012, MTOP and Math Olympian. He is also a consistent honor student. His elementary was finished in Ducay Elementary School as class valedictorian. His college achievements and affiliations were: he took his college at the University of San Carlos with a degree in Bachelor in Chemical Engineering in 2019. He was also a president of the Junior Philippines Institute of Chemical Engineers, Cebu chapter in 2016 and 2017. And also a president of the Chemical Engineering Club in the University of San Carlos in 2017 and 2018. He was also once the Vice President for Internal Affairs in 2016 and 2017 of the same university under Chemical Engineering Council. He was once also an officer and organizer of other related organizations. As his work experiences, our speaker was connected to the University of San Carlos under Bioprocess Engineering Research Center as research assistant in 2017 and 2018. He also served as on-the-job trainee in Sarangani Energy Corporation and an on-site and office engineer in 2021-2022 at the Eurosa Construction and Development Corporation. Presently, he is the engineer of the Department of Public Works and Highways in Sarangani District Engineering Office. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give our undivided attention to our speaker, registered chemical engineer, registered chemical technician, no other than Engineer John Leonard M. Lasketti. Let's give him a round of applause.